Migrating from email-only support to a full help desk is a game changer for both you and your customers. But if you're not sure where to start, this quick tutorial will walk you through how to make that move smoothly and effectively. Stick around until the end for a special offer to follow along with our recommended software and take your support to the next level. First things first, the main difference between email-only support and a full help desk is that a help desk gives you centralized communication. You won't just be handling email anymore. You'll be able to manage tickets, chat messages, phone calls, and even social media inquiries all from one platform. This transition is crucial if you're looking to scale your customer service and provide quicker, more organized support. The first step is to choose the right help desk software. The software you pick will be your foundation, so make sure it's one that fits your company's needs. I've tried all the popular options out there, and I'll tell you why our software is the best fit, but don't worry, I've got an exclusive free trial for you linked in the description below if you want to follow along. Once you've chosen your software, the next step is setting up your ticketing system. Most email-only support systems rely on inboxes that get flooded with messages, often making it difficult to track the status of a support request. But with a full help desk, each support request is turned into a ticket that can be assigned, tracked, and prioritized. It's vital to create custom ticket categories based on the types of issues you're solving, so your team can manage them more efficiently. After that, it's time to move your email support over. You'll want to import your existing email data into your help desk system to avoid losing any historical context of ongoing support conversations. The best help desk software allows you to migrate email threads into their platform, converting them into tickets automatically. This ensures no customer gets left behind. Next, set up automation. A full help desk gives you automation capabilities that can really help speed up your processes. For example, you can automatically route tickets to the right team members based on keywords in the ticket or the urgency of the issue. You can also automate responses to common questions or set up automatic reminders for unresolved tickets. This ensures that no inquiry slips through the cracks and everything gets addressed in a timely manner. Once the tech side is in place, it's time to train your team. A help desk system can be much more complex than a simple email inbox, so it's essential to get your team up to speed. You'll want to train them on the ticketing system, how to use the automation features, and how to manage customer relationships through the platform. Training is key to ensuring that your migration goes smoothly and your team is prepared for the increased workload. The final step is to monitor performance. A full help desk software typically has built-in reporting tools that give you valuable insights into things like ticket response times, customer satisfaction, and team performance. By regularly reviewing this data, you can ensure that your customer support stays on track and continuously improve. So, what's the key takeaway from today's video? Migrating from email-only support to a full help desk is all about streamlining your communication, automating processes, and creating a more organized, responsive support system. Don't try to handle everything through email when a help desk can make your life and your customers' lives so much easier. To recap, choose the right software, set up your ticketing system, move over your emails, implement automation, train your team, and monitor performance. And don't forget, check out the exclusive free trial of our recommended software in the description below to follow along with everything I mentioned. Thanks for watching.